Hi guys, it's me, Sophia.
And Simone.
And today we're back here with some more lockdown art. And we're gonna be painting rocks. So tell us where we got these rocks, Sam.
We went with Dad outside and we went to the backyard and we found these rocks.
So today we're gonna be picking from this magic cup, and we're gonna see what kind of theme we have, and we're gonna paint that on our rocks. So let's get started!
Me first.
Yeah, you close your eyes. So your theme is, let us see, rainbow. So show it. She got a rainbow. So let's see what I have. And I have flower. That's gonna be easy. So do you have stuff in mind? I have stuff in mind too. So let's get started painting. So which one do you want to choose?
This one.
I think I'm gonna choose this. I think I'm gonna choose this rock. Or maybe this one. Yeah, this one. So guys, this is a good idea if you wanna have some fun without spending money that much, because all you have to do is journey into your backyard and get some rocks.
And it's even so fun to find some rocks in the backyard.
Because we can see all of the rocks, different shapes and sizes.
And of course, we washed it
Before we painted on them, because that would just be yuck. So you can also use the back of your paintbrush for little details, like dots and stuff. So guys, we just put our other rocks aside so they can dry. So now it's time for round 2. So since Simone picked first in the first round, I get to pick first right now. So what did I get? I got a star.
My turn. Please be not hard. Please be not hard.
Okay.
Okay.
Stripes. Okay, so let's get started. So I got a star. Which one? Oh, this one? No, this one. This one looks the best. I'm gonna choose this one for my star.
I'm gonna choose this one for my stripes.
I'm gonna make mine a shining star. So guys, we're done with this round. So we're gonna put these under the sun to dry. So now it's round 3. Okay, so since I picked first the last time, it's Simone's turn to pick first. Let's see what you get.
I got a heart.
I got a sun. This one.
I'm gonna choose this one.
So here are our finished painted rocks.
I hope you like it.
So here are some of the rocks that we painted a few days ago. We chose a dripping theme. That's it for now, guys.
Hope you like our video.
Hit that like button, subscribe button, and notification button to know when we have new posts.
Till our next video.
Stay home and stay safe. Bye!